my name is Abeera. I hope you had a good Christmas. Merry Christmas. Since it's not snowing, I'm going to make my own snow to play with, and I'm going to make a snowman. Let's begin. And I hope you all got loads and loads of presents. Today I got a present from my auntie. I think it's a bracelet, and I'm so excited to open it. I think because I'm asking my auntie to make me a bracelet, because she makes jewellery. Let's open it. See what's inside it. Bracelets and earrings. Yeah! I'm so excited to buy that. When was a bracelet first?
Yeah, you can open it.
I don't have to wear it.
See, I need help.
Ask her to help you like me. I like these and this and this and this.
Show them in the camera. Is it your size?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, I have the bracelet and the earrings. Thank you. I have bracelets and earrings. Now let's make the snow. This activity, I will need some baking soda, white conditioner, a glass bowl, and a measuring cup, and a tray. And gloves, but I don't even want gloves. Let's open the baking soda. And I really like this earring. Let's put in the measuring cup. There's so much.
I agree.
I have a lot to cup for baking. Half a cup of conditioner. It's like a pasta. I'm to get my hands icky, so my mom will do it. I'm back with a tissue. I really want to feel it.
In a minute.
With gloves?
No.
Some dry baking soda in the tray, a little bit. Spread it around to make it not too sticky. Look at how small. Let's decorate my snowman. Eyes first. My mama made some things for my snowman. Use a toothpick for everything. Even the nose, like the pointy bits.
Okay.
Now I'm going to, there is a big or small one, a red or orange, red, and then we have a thin knife or a fat knife. I'm going to choose a black knife because it's like there is two rocks. And then I have 3 buttons. My mom used some toothpicks, some little pom-poms. She sticks the toothpick to the pom-pom. Reds, blues, black. Black, red,
And
blue. My mom cut these tree branches, the thin ones.
yeah.
Now I'm going to put them like this.
You're looking cute.
Let's put scarf. My mom made it a braid out of string. That one is too small, so I'm going to put this. This had eye colored and my mom put it in white. And then this is like an elephant. This, I'm not sure what this hat is. This looks like a Santa hat. Let's try them on.
So adorable. You don't like it?
I really like this.
Okay.
It looks like creamy. Too big! It's a little bit sticky inside. Like this one. I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to put a Christmas tree with so much decorations. Now I'm going to play with the snow. I'm going to put food coloring to make my snowman colorful. I'm going to do it around. I'm going to use some orange first. Now, orange. Try to spray and see.
Yeah. Don't spray it in your eyes.
Doesn't work.
Let me.
Now you say another color.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I'm going to do double color. Now I'll do blue. It's yellow. It's green a little bit. It's getting greener.
Lovely. Do it on the other side. Yeah. Okay. Good job.
It's a little bit hot.
Here, should I do it?
Thank you for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe. Hope you like my snowman.